Hey guys, Gary from DIY Electronics. Today I bring you a brand spanking new coin. This coin is a proof of work 256D coin, and it's only 3 weeks old. And it's brought to you by RT Pools. They're the ones that basically found it and they put it on their pool. So thank you very much to RT Pools. Big shout out to you guys. You guys are doing a great job. Keeping all of us nerd miners, actually up and working. And also I want to shout out to Firepool. They're doing a great job too for the nerd miner community. But anyways, I digress. I get back to RSCoin. Now, RSCoin, again, is a proof of work 256 SHA-256D coin. And again, it's only 3 weeks old. I uploaded the core node today to get myself a wallet, and I'm now mining on RT Pool. And the core node, it only took like 5 minutes, and I uploaded the entire blockchain. That is how brand spanking new this coin is. Okay. When I uploaded the core, it said it was only 3 weeks behind. So that means that coin is only 3 weeks old. All right, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how to upload it to your Windows computer and get mining on RT Pool or wherever else Aureus is available. I just want to do a disclaimer right now. This file that I'm going to be showing you how to upload to your computer is a RAR file. That's a Rothschild archive file. These files are known to have some super bad malwares, viruses, Trojans. It is just infected with all kinds of infectious crap to get into your computer. So my disclaimer right now is I'm going to show you, but it's totally on you if you upload this file. Again, RAR files are extremely bad files. This coin is brand new. It's only 3 weeks old. You never know. They created this coin just so that it can infect your computer and grab all your banking information, your crypto wallets, everything on you. Disclaimer out there. RAR files are extremely dangerous. All right. With that said, scroll on or just keep on watching, and I'm going to get you up and mining RSCoin on RT Pool. Brand spanking new. I think there's only like 31 million coins out there. I think I read somewhere, but again, Aureus is so brand new, they don't even have a website yet. I tried to go to the website and it just failed. So they're probably still building it. But I digress. Let's go right over onto the computer. I'm going to show you some stuff, and then we're going to upload that core node, and we're going to get it up and running. I'm going right here. I'm going to bring this down. Let's go to RT Pool. This is the new coin right here, Aureus. Okay. The last block was found 4 hours ago, and it's at block 41,000. All right, that's a brand spanking new coin right there. All right, so this is it. The, I don't know what you call that, the label or whatnot is AURE. It was going to be AUR, but they changed it, and they put an E in there because there is another Aure coin that was using the AUR indicator. Okay, so that is it right there. Let's go to actual RT Pool, and let's go to miners, and let's go to the Aureus, and here we are right here. These are the guys that are up and running right now. Matter of fact, I want to go back to the overview. Let's see what the pool difficulty is right now. The pool difficulty is only 31 meg. So that's really good. That's some really good mining going on there. All right. But anywho, I digress. So again, guys, just to give a little shout out here to RT Pool to help them out. If you have a nerd miner, put it on I don't know. But anyways, these are the ports that you should use. Again, nerd miners 3344. This is bit-access. This is up to 6 terahash, and this is over 6 terahash. All right, and with that said, what we're going to do now is we're going to go actually to the release here on GitHub. Okay. What do you call that? Sapphire? Is that? It's not Sapphire. It's Sapphire Apex or something like that. RS Core. But anyways, what we want to do is we file right here. Windows RS wallet.rar. All right. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to say save it to my downloads. All right. Let's go up here. And right here, it did download. I'm going to go to that file. Okay, here it is here, compressed archive. So now we need something to open it up with. And what I use is 7-zip. I don't even know if it's here yet. No, it's not. Oh, wait a minute. Can I extract all? You know, I want to go through the motions in case you guys don't have an extractor. I do want to get 7-zip. So I got a new tab open here. I'm going to go 7-zip, already did, so let me click on it. I want to download it. You can grab the first one right here. I got Windows 11, so I'm just going to download it right there. I'm going to pop it on. I'm going to go over here. I'm going to find out where it is. It's right next to the Aureus. So I'm going to double click. We're going to load it up. Just say yes. Install. Close, and that is now installed. Excuse me. Let's go back to our files. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to say extract all. See Windows, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, that's fine. I'll put it in there. You can put this, this folder anywhere you want. I just put it right there in my C file. I'm going to say extract. Here's Aureus wallet right here. You want to double click on it, and then you want to double click on RSQT. This is the application. Double click. It says Windows protected your PC. It says Microsoft Defender Smart Screen prevented an unrecognized app from starting, running, blah, 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 blah. Just say more info. More info. Just say, yeah, run anyways. I know it's full of bad stuff. I would suggest just use the default directory. Okay, that's your app data. I have made other videos about the app data and how to get to app data to find all this information. And just, I would not uncheck this. I mean, it's a really small file. You could check it if you wanted to, but I just leave this alone. I say, okay. All right. And it says allow public blah, blah, blah. Say yes, allow. All right. So now, this is the RS Core, which is now uploading the entire blockchain. I'm going to say hide on this. I'm going to open this up. So right now, it's only 3 weeks behind. Okay. So that's a brand spanky new coin. So now let's get a wallet. All you have to do is right here, go create wallet. And I'm going to say RT pool. Just name it something, whatever you want. It's up to you. You can encrypt the wallet. That will give you a seed phrase and the whole 9 yards. I don't bother. I just say create. It has now created a wallet. Now you want to get your receiving address, and that is what you put into your nerd miner. You go up here to receive, and then right here you say create a new receiving address. Hit create, and there is your new Aureus wallet address right there. AUR. Okay? And all you have to do is just go copy the address. And I'm actually going to go right here. I'm going to put it on a notepad. Go Notepad. And these are some other wallet addresses I've been working on. I'm going to say boop, and I'm going to say paste. And there is your new Aureus wallet address for mining on Aureus on whatever pool you want, but I use RT pool. Okay. And I'm just going to bring this down. I'm going to X out of here. I'm going to go to the overview. Look at that. Your computer's date and time appear to be 10 minutes out of sync with the network. This may lead to consensus failures. I never even knew that was out of there. Oh yeah, I'm way off. I'm more than 10 minutes out. This is a computer I don't use too often, so adjust the time and date. It must be set for Pacific time or something. Atlantic can, yeah, it's set for Atlantic. That's kind of weird. Atlantic time. Oh well, I'm not going to get into this, guys. But anyways, my clock's set wrong. That's it. I'm going to come back and talk my way out. So guys, that is how you get yourself a new Aureus wallet address to mine the brand spanking new coin of Aureus. Okay, again, disclaimer, do not upload this file unless you're comfortable with uploading RAR files, because again, some really bad crap can be in those files. If you're a little bit more mechanically inclined with, you know, using command prompts or PowerShell, something like that, you can upload the source code. That way you can see all the code inside of it and make sure there's no malware or anything like that. But I said, heck with it. I just do an RAR. This is a junk computer that I really don't care about. I keep all of my core nodes on it. And if something bad happens to it, I don't care. I don't do any banking or anything like that on it. But again, it could get in your network too. That's a whole different beast right there. All right, guys. Like, comment, leave it down below. Buy me a coffee at my Ko-Fi shop. I still got Bitsy miners for sale. I've got Nerd miners for sale. I got all kinds of stuff for sale. Check out the Ko-Fi shop. Buy me a coffee, handshake, leave me a message, whatever you want to do. And I'll see you on the next one. Excuse me.